Hello again in the devlog, next devlog dedicated to the game Nebula. Today's video will be quite short. I would like to just mention a couple of informations and show a couple of improvements that I put into the game. So first things first, the most important and the most enjoyable for me news is that I've finally my web page on Steam has been accepted. So the website for Nebula is up and running. There's no build so far on this website, so but you can have a look, and if you want you can wishlist. I will put this link down in the description. The second information is that I put the demo of Nebula on itch.io. So if you want to try the game, then you can get it for free from itch.io and from Jolt if you are by any chance related to Jolt. So what demo has pretty much everything what I have right now in here. I mean, you can upgrade all of those visible perks and weapons. The hidden weapons, they are going to remain hidden until the full release. Same goes for the hidden maps, but in the end it's quite a lot of weapons and quite a lot of things that you can do with this. So for the demo I think it's pretty decent, and we have 5 characters and 2 maps in the demo to play with. The easy one, first one, and the second one where the life of enemies is actually doubled. So, and they are progressively going to be more and more difficult, those maps, and that's what the demo is offering. All of the 5 characters are available for a demo, and I will probably add in the full version another few characters that are going to be equipped with the more advanced weapons, so they are going to be unlockable, and that's pretty much all. I have updated credits because I put some more music soundtracks in the game. So when I was playing the game, I actually start to get bored with just one soundtrack, so I decided that I will implement a system where the player will be able to change the soundtrack during the game at whatever time they want. So I place it in the options inside in the pause menu as an option. I'll show you just right now quickly. So once you're playing, starting the mission, the soundtrack will be chosen randomly. But if you don't like it, you can just grab one of the soundtracks that I placed here. So it's going to be in the pause menu and the soundtrack. Okay, for the moment I have only 3, but if I found some time and some royalty-free interesting soundtracks, I'll probably place more. It's kind of easy right now when I build a system, so it would be easy to build up on this. I'm thinking also to make them another movies dedicated to the gameplay of the game, just to explain a little bit about the mechanics, because it might be a bit tricky at the beginning of the game for the players to get used to the steerings and the mechanics of the weapon. But that's going to be topic for the next video. For today, thanks so much, and see you soon. Bye.